Holy crap. We have evidence of damaging winds now. Look at all this glass. The wind did this. Look at all this glass. Up, there's a piece of the plant. This was a glass jar. And it had a plant in it. But now it's in pieces. Where's the rest of the plant? Where's the rest of the jar even? This is dangerous. Oh, here's another piece. And another piece there. Man. Up, and another piece over there. Edwin's not going to be too happy that his plant got destroyed. Look at this. I don't know when this happened, but I'm glad I'm wearing my steel toe boots. There's broken glass everywhere out here. Oh no. Well, guess I'm gonna have to tell Edwin the bad news. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, click the bell notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Mess.